नमस्ते। मैं अनुजा जैन, स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से। सो इट्स फ्राइडे 2 PM। आई एम बैक विथ न्यू कलेक्शन फॉर यू। और आज हम आपके लेके आए हैं स्पेशली फॉर यू पीपल महेश्वरी सूट सेट्स। यस, दीज आर महेश्वरी सूट सेट विच वी आर लॉन्चिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। इफ़ यू पीपल रियली लाइक अवर वीडियो, लाइक अवर प्रोडक्ट्स, तो अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो डू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। यू कैन शेयर विथ योर फैमिली and friends so that you will not miss any of our video. And if you like our videos, you can hit the like button too. Okay, for more updates, for हमारे और भी products के बारे में जानने के लिए you can follow us our Insta page. You can follow us on the Facebook. Insta page ID is studio_sui_dhaga by Anuja Jain. We have launched our website also. We have uploaded few products also, so you can visit that website. It's www.studiosuidhaga.com. And if you have some other suggestions, feedback or queries, you can connect with us through WhatsApp. It's 9039717636. So let's start our today's video with the new launch, that is Maheshwari suit sets. And we have two varieties in it. We have Maheshwari suit sets on bark prints also, and we have Maheshwari suit sets on Ajrak Dabu prints also. Yes, it's a very new collection, and it's very close to my heart because the artisans really work so hard on these beautiful products to come up with very different shades this time. So I'll show you one by one. And yes, this time we have very limited stocks. Yes, very limited stock, so please book as soon as possible before you miss your favorite piece. Okay, so let me start and show you. And before starting, I'll just tell you these are 2.5 meter dupatta. It's of Maheshwari silk, and top is also 2.5 meter of Maheshwari silk, and bottoms are for कॉटन, सो दैट यू कैन कंफर्टेबली वेयर सो ईजीली. महेश्वरी सिल्क के जो बॉटम्स होते हैं उनकी लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती है. दे आर नॉट दैट मच कंफर्टेबल even after using linings. So we have just added the cotton pants with the similar prints so that you can enjoy. Okay, so let me show you our first product. It's a bark collection. First I'll show you the bark collection. And yes, these are very different and beautiful prints. It's a very lovely maroon and grey combination. So you can see the dupatta. First I'll show you the full details. The piece is open. Come, I'll show you. So this is the piece that we have displayed. It's a lovely mustard color, a dark mustard color with the combination of maroon. This jal print is pant fabric, and this is kurti fabric, and this is dupatta. And you can see the dupattas are highlighted with handmade tassels. And on dupatte pe you can see this is the gicha is used to give a rich look. And these are very nice and very festive look collection. So I'll show you rest all the colors. The first, this is a very lovely beautiful grey color. So this is your top and this is your bottom. Yes, it's a lovely jal print and buta bottom collection. So this is our first piece. Here is the second piece. It's a lovely kosa color, you can see, and very new booties with this jal print bottom. And of course this is the dupatta. Each and every piece is so beautiful. आप देख सकते हैं. It has its own beauty. So this is the third piece. I'll open for you. It's a lovely red and black combination. This is the booty of the pants, and this is the kurta, and this is your dupatta. Each and every piece has its own beauty, very different prints, color combinations. आप देख सकते हैं. And of course there will be slightly difference between this is the lovely red color with very different buttas. These both are buttas are in tree shape. It's lovely. And this is the dupatta. And here is the bottom. So each and every piece is so beautiful, color is so pretty. Just choose the color you want, and each and every piece butta is very different. Next is a lovely Rani color, magenta, you can see. It's a very lovely color. That is the dupatta. And of course this is the bottom. You will get the pictures of all these products. Those who are watching for the first time, वीडियो के एंड में आपको इसके सारे पिक्चर्स भी मिल जाएंगे. Then we have second piece again on magenta. So booties will go like this, and this is the dupatta. And of course here it is the bottom. So this is the lovely collection on magenta color. Next we have, it's a maroon color with a combination of mustard color booties. So it goes like this. And yes, this is the bottom, and the bottom is very beautiful. Just see, it's a lovely color. So next we have its all-time favorite maroon color. Yes, a special color. आप बोल सकते हैं पहचान ऑफ बाग. This is this thing, and this is the bottom. There are few people I have seen, they only wear this color in the bag. They say कि इसी में सही look आता है बाग का. So this is so many different peoples have their different opinions. So it's a lovely color of bag. Then it's a very light color of the cream. You can see the butta. It's a cream color. And the pricing are very pocket friendly. So this is the butta of, sorry, this is the bottom, you can see, and here is the butta. It's a lovely combination, you can see. The next we have the same maroon and cream combination. So this is the kurta, and this is the bottom. One more combination. So this is the your kurta fabric, and this is your dupatta, and of course it has a bottom. Sorry, I just forgot to mention. So this is the complete set. Sorry. Next we have it's a lovely khaki color. It's not a mustard color. It's a lovely khaki color. And this is the dupatta. See, it's a lovely combination. This is the bottom. The next the next print is the same combinations, the khaki color and the maroon. So it's a jal print, the geometrical print bottom, and here it's a combination. So this is then a beautiful mustard color, you can see, a very typical traditional color of India. Almost everyone had, but still they want to buy, and this time we bring it with buta and the polka dots to give a very different look to this color. And of course the bottom is of polka dots. And yes, I know you all must be waiting to know the prices, so I'll just open the prices and let me show you first this beautiful, my favorite. So it's a lovely beautiful bottle green color, my favorite. I just love this color. So you can see the combination, and this is the bottom. And the last piece in this collection we have again a beautiful small booties with this beautiful jal dupatta. And yes, it has this bottom. So this was the lovely collection on the bag, and the pricing for these suit sets are just 3250 each. Yes, it's just for 3250 rupees each, and you will get to know the offer of the day after you will see the collection on the Ajrak Dabu. So I'll show you the collection on Ajrak Dabu. Okay, so let me start with the first piece. We have 3 different shades in it and 3-4 different prints on those shades. So first I'll show you this blue color. So you can see the beauty of these products. They are very different and unique ones. So this is the dupatta. This is the bottom. Sorry, this is the top. See, this printing takes almost 10 to 15 different steps to get it done. Okay, so you can see the beauty. It's called Ajrak Dabu printing. So it's a lovely combination. It's very different, and color is also sorry. This color is also a very lovely blue. It's a grayish blue color, you can see. So this is the first combination on the blue. Then we have second print. So this is the second print. It has different dupatta, all over dupatta. The first one we have half of dupatta, and this has a full dupatta, full print dupatta, and this is the bottom. Oh, sorry, this is the kurta, and this is the bottom. So this is the second piece on the blue. We have one more different buta on the blue, because almost every lady have so many blues, but उसके बाद भी हमको blue ही पसंद आता है. So we have 4 different prints in it. So this is the third different print, and this is the bottom. This is the dupatta. So you will get pictures of these suit sets also, and the pricing of these suit sets are also 3250 each. Then we have fourth different print. Sorry. So it goes like this. This is the third one. So it goes like this. So these were the 4 different prints we have on the blue combinations. The next color we have, it's a very lovely kosa color with a light chocolate color combination. So this is the same buta we have in blue also. I have showed you the third one, and this is the bottom. And yes, this is the bottom. So the combination goes like this. So it's a lovely kosa color with a light brown combination. Then a very new color, fresh color we have. It's a peach color. So this is your kurta, and this is not the black color, it's a dark coke color. I just want to show you. Might be आपको वीडियो और पिक्चर्स में ये ब्लैक कलर दिखेगा, बट इट्स अ डार्क कोक कलर. You can see, and this is the dupatta. Sorry. So this is the dupatta, and this is the bottom. It's a very refreshing and new color. We have one more print in it, so you can see. It's more of like old age people's, those who like के हम इतने चटक्स कलर नहीं पहनते हैं या ब्लू बहुत पहन लिया, so they can go with this color. It's a very new color, and of course those who always want to buy blue only they can go with the blue. So this is the next print. This print we have in your this peach color also, and your blue color also, as well as in that kosa color also. And but the combination is different. In this we have with polka dots. अगर आप दो लेते भी हैं विद इन द सेम फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स, तो आपको बॉटम्स डिफरेंट मिलेंगे, उससे आपका लुक चेंज होता है. सो दिस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन. Okay, so guys, this were the collection on the beautiful Maheshwari suit sets. Hope you all love it, like it. जिन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा वीडियो देखा है, so you can subscribe it so that आप कभी भी हमारा कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. So guys, I know you all must be waiting to know what is the offer of the day. So this is the offer of the day. And of course the contest is going on, and you all can participate. You can share your pictures and video. The best pictures or video will be selected, and they get a surprise gift from Studio Sri Dhaga. And yes, today's winner is Yasha. Yasha, she is a lovely girl. I just love her hairstyle, the way she used to communicate with me. I just love her. So guys, you enjoy her beautiful pics. They are very natural. She is little bit camera shy, but still I just love her pictures, the way she shared. So enjoy, Yasha. This you will receive your surprise gift. एंड ऑफकोर्स अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो सब्सक्राइब इट सो दैट यू विल नॉट मिस any of our channel. Every Friday 2 PM we launch our new products. For more details, you can visit our website, that is www.studioswithaga.com. We are uploading more products daily on it. और आप हमारा इंस्टा पेज भी विजिट कर सकते हैं, studio_sui_धागा by अनुजा जैन. You can follow us on Facebook also. For more details or any doubts, you can connect with us on WhatsApp. It's 9039717636. So guys, hope you all like the collection. Now I will show you all the pictures of these beautiful collection. You don't have to share the screenshot of any product. Please codes share कीजिए and I will confirm them. We have very limited stock in this collection, so please don't miss it. Book it very soon. Confirm your order so that soon we'll dispatch it. Okay, so see you next week. Wish you all a happy Diwali. Have a lovely beautiful weekend with your family and friends. This is Anuja Jain from Studio Sridhaga, Indore. Thank you so much.